Family and friend, I am proud of this mint here because I catched it myself and as you see it's flourishing. It's looking beautiful. I also have a cherry tree right here. Right, that's a cherry tree. And here's another one. And another, or actually two more. So, trying to see if I can get some cherry tree. I have a plum tree right here. June plum tree. I want this one to flourish because it's the only. Actually, I think I planted it myself. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start eating these plums and put them in the pot. I have some pots over there that some of the things fail. So I'm going to try some more things. But as you say, ladies and gentlemen, I'm trying. Farming in the morning, farming in the evening. Now I'm trying to graft these mangoes. It's actually Julie mango. All these are Julie mango, including the one over there that I grafted on the common mango tree. I try to use the common product because it appears to be the original mango tree, and then the rest of them are like grafted or changed, and the rootstocks are seems to be more, you know, adaptive to the temperature and soil. So I try to use the common mango. Even when I'm doing oranges, I try to use like so orange rootstock and then put the grafted orange on it because the so orange is more resilient to the climate. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, again, I'm the original farmer man, the Crocus bag farmer, Jamaica's finest, St. Elizabeth, farming even until the morning, from Cornwall District, Cornwall PO, to South Florida, to Georgia, New York, England. I farm everywhere. Big up all my Canadian fans. Big up all the real farmers in the USA. Big up all the Jamaican farmers that understand that farming is the lifeline of the people, and you have to eat your food as your medicine, or you will eat your medicine as food. So subscribe, like, and share if you love the farming from evening till the morning. And even if you're just interested in seeing some farming going on by the Rasta man, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, leave your comment. Me love me farming from evening till the morning. Give thanks. Be blessed.